I'm Julie Goodwin, and my friends at ENJO have sent me a mystery box as a bit of a challenge, so I'm dying to see what's in here. So I've got some beautiful fresh beetroot and avocados, and I know exactly why those are in this box, because we're celebrating the brand new beetroot and avocado bamboo tea towels. Look how big they are. Beautiful soft tea towels. Well, I'll have to have a think about what to do with these. I think I've got an idea. So I'm going to use these beautiful ingredients as the start of a mezzi platter. It's perfect for entertaining, for having people over, for just creating beautiful memories. The beetroot I'm going to use for a very simple but very delicious dip with feta and walnuts. So what I've got here is 4 medium-sized beetroots, a head of garlic, some walnuts, some feta, some salt and white pepper, and a little bit of olive oil. I've preheated my oven to 180 degrees. I'm going to trim the tops and bottoms from the beetroot. I'm going to trim off the top of the garlic. I'm putting all these onto a baking tray and giving it a little drizzle with oil. After 30 minutes, I take the garlic off the tray. It will be nice and soft. I bake the beetroot for another 30 minutes or until the skewer goes easily through them. In the last 10 minutes of cooking, I add the walnuts to the tray. Once you've removed the tray from the oven, let everything cool down. Peel the beetroot. The skin should come off quite easily. Throw the beetroot into the bowl of a food processor. Add the softened garlic, the feta, the walnuts, and some salt and pepper. Pulse it until everything is combined. I like my dip to be nice and chunky so I can taste the walnuts and taste the beautiful beetroot, but you can make it as smooth as you like. This is beautiful just with some bread, but it's even better on a lovely mezzi platter with some fresh avocados, some pickles, some cheese and some crackers. This is not just my favourite way to entertain. I'm going to go out there on a limb and say it's actually my favourite way to eat. Thank you to my friends at ENJO for these spectacular bamboo fibre tea towels in avocado and beetroot. And thank you also for these cleaning products, which I am not going to lie, I love. I love them, and you will too. Happy entertaining.